Greetings from Eastern Ontario. This is Farmer Chris with some old style skis. These are old wooden skis from Norway. Got them in Ottawa. And here's some boots that came from another guy in Ottawa. The two dual boots. You know, the old style ones where you put the inside part in. And these are much like a lot of my old hiking boots, which is kind of nice. I really do like the old stuff. If you guys know anything about me, I like the old stuff. So here what we got is the waxing with the pine tar. I'm using straight pine tar in layers with another product that's basically just hoof dressing for horses, which is lard, pine tar, turpentine, linseed oil, and neat's foot oil. And into that mix of the hoof dressing, I added more pine tar. So what I'm going to try and do is just get layers of pine tar and then the other stuff that I hope will act more like a wax. And then in the kick zone, I'm going to use just the pine tar. And we'll see how that goes. You know, it's old school. But these old wood skis work good. I'm going to make some wider ones. And we'll see about that. But it's quite a process, and I don't have all the tools yet. But I would like to make like the kind of like the Altai or the Siberian style fat skis where they're basically like as wide as 2 or 3 of these skis wide and a little shorter. Anyway, that's a project for the future, but I'm looking forward to that. Getting out on the trails.